Clipchamp create. Clipchamp create. Clipchamp create.
This beautiful, short story highlights how something seemingly so
Clipchamp
small
create.
and unimportant can be so vital to the timeline of events. Everything is interconnected and outcomes are unpredictable without considering the tiniest variables that
Clipchamp
affect
create.
them.
Clipchamp
It
create.
fell to the floor, an exquisite thing, a small thing that could upset balances and knock down a line of small dominoes, and then big dominoes, and then
Clipchamp
gigantic
create.
dominoes, all down the years across time. Ekel's mind whirled. It couldn't change things. Killing one butterfly couldn't be that important. Could
Clipchamp
it?
create.